Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that all-new Kawasaki Ridge with HVAC. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about this model. There are multiple models of the Kawasaki Ridge. This model is fully enclosed. Glass windshield with the windshield wiper and squirter system. Full doors. Yes, the windows do roll down. Glass back window. Nice bed. Two-inch receiver hitch. Tailgate opens up like a pickup truck. Got your drink holders, you know, kicking it around the fire. Accessory bed rails. The doors are very nice and tight. Sill's great. Nice bulb that goes all the way up and around.
Combines high performance with automotive-inspired fit and finish for an elevated off-roading experience.
They've done a great job with the interior.
With thoughtful design throughout.
Multiple seating configurations, but on this specific model, you do have those 3 seats, 3 seat belts. Not using the 3 seats, need additional storage, some extra cup holders, no problem. There's your control knobs, face vents, foot vents, defrost, mix of all the above, interior air, exterior air, different fan speeds, temperature control, AC switch. The vents you can move around. The vents on the sides you can rotate 360 degrees. You can also shut them. Defrost ducts up along the front. Large glove box, more storage up here, more storage here, plenty of accessory switch plates, park brake, shifter, windshield washer, power mode selector switch, 4-wheel drive switch. These buttons, switches are how you're going to control the screen. Rear view mirror, dome light, premium roof liner. Seat does flip up. There are storage options for under the seats, as well as a subwoofer system. From the driver's side, you can also control the passenger side window, automotive style seat belts.
Chasing that feeling for an extra dose of dopamine. It may look different over the years, but one thing will always hold true. We'll always measure the quality of our work in thrills, not specific.
What do you think? 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Get your deposit in. Check out our other videos for additional model options. Have a great day, everybody.